If you're buying a compact SUV in 2025, there's one thing you don't want: regret. Nothing takes the fun out of a new car faster than surprise repair bills or a check engine light. That's why today we're talking about 15 compact SUVs so reliable you'll feel smart every time you drive. These picks come from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, backed by expert testing and real-world data. Whether you want good fuel economy, comfort, or just peace of mind, these SUVs have it all. Let's check out the most dependable compact SUVs of 2025. 15. The Mazda CX-5 isn't just reliable, it's fun, actually fun to drive. It's one of those SUVs that makes you forget you're behind the wheel of a practical family car. With a stellar Consumer Reports score of 9.2 out of 10 and a solid J.D. Power reliability rating of 86 out of 100, it backs up that fun with real peace of mind. Mazda managed to pack sports car handling into a compact SUV without sacrificing comfort or everyday usability. You get a smooth 2.5-liter engine or an optional turbo that cranks out 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. That turbo setup gives it plenty of power for highway merging and passing. Handling is sharp with responsive steering and minimal body roll. It corners confidently and feels planted, even on winding roads. Inside, the CX-5 easily rivals some entry-level luxury SUVs. The seats are supportive, materials are soft touch throughout, and the cabin design feels upscale. The infotainment system is clear and intuitive, with physical controls that are easy to use on the move. Higher trims come with standard all-wheel drive and additional driver assistance features. It balances style, performance, and dependability exceptionally well. For those wanting something practical without feeling boring, the CX-5 is a strong choice. 14. The 2025 Forester got a full redesign, but don't worry, it kept all the good stuff. With a Consumer Reports score of 8.9 and an equally strong J.D. Power rating of 86, it's one of the safest bets in the segment. Standard all-wheel drive, still here. Outstanding visibility and 29 miles per gallon combined? Absolutely. This SUV has always been a favorite for people who like simple, practical cars that just work. The new design looks cleaner and more modern, but it still feels like a Forester. You sit up high and the big windows make it super easy to see everything around you. The seats are soft and comfortable, and there's plenty of space in the back for passengers or pets. The touchscreen is easy to use and everything is where you expect it to be. Subaru is the wear hiking boots to brunch brand, and the Forester fits that vibe perfectly. It handles snow, rain, and dirt roads without a problem. It's great for camping, road trips, or just daily driving. It's rugged, reliable, and ready for your next adventure without ever missing a beat. 13. Toyota's legendary reliability plus 41 miles per gallon in the city usually means an automatic win. The RAV4 Hybrid rocks a Consumer Reports score of 8.7 and a J.D. Power predicted reliability rating of 87. It's a bestseller for a reason. Consumer Reports found it smooth, quiet, and well-built, while real-world tests showed 37.9 miles per gallon. It feels calm and easy behind the wheel, even in traffic. The hybrid system is seamless. You almost forget it's even switching between gas and electric. The cabin is well organized with smart storage and simple controls that are easy to reach. There's plenty of room in the back for luggage, groceries, or strollers. It's perfect for families, commuters, or anyone who's tired of high gas prices. The touchscreen is responsive and the safety tech works without being annoying. Toyota also keeps things low stress with great build quality and low repair costs. The ride? Just buttery, smooth and quiet even on rough roads. Here's a bonus. Toyota's resale value is unbeatable, so it holds its worth for years. It's efficient, reliable, and super easy to live with. 12. Finding a compact SUV that's stylish, smart, and easy to live with isn't always simple, but Hyundai came to play. The Tucson Hybrid mixes sharp styling, a high-tech cabin, and great fuel economy, plus that sweet 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. It scored a 9.1 from Consumer Reports and got a J.D. Power reliability rating of 80. Consumer Reports gave it high marks for interior comfort and user-friendly tech. The touchscreen is big, clear, and quick to respond. Everything inside feels modern but still easy to figure out. No weird controls or confusing menus. The seats are soft, there's good leg room, and even tall passengers can ride comfortably in the back. It drives smoothly with a hybrid system that feels seamless and quiet. The lower J.D. Power score is balanced by Hyundai's long-term safety net. That warranty gives you peace of mind for years, even if issues pop up down the road. If you want modern without the premium price tag and peace of mind that stretches a decade, this one checks the boxes. It's one of the smartest picks in the segment. 11. Some compact SUVs try to look tough, but the Bronco Sport actually is. Surprised to see a Bronco here? Don't be. The Bronco Sport might be rugged, but it's also Ford's most reliable compact SUV. It scored 8.9 with Consumer Reports and a class-leading 88 from J.D. Power. That makes it one of the most dependable small SUVs you can buy right now. You get a choice between two turbo engines, both offering solid power and efficiency. Real off-road capability is baked in, with features like standard 4x4 and selectable drive modes. This isn't just for city driving, it's ready for trails, snow, and camping trips. Repair costs are also among the lowest in its class, which makes ownership easier long-term. Inside, it's smartly laid out, with tons of storage and even fun extras like built-in bottle openers. It feels adventurous without being over the top. It's a small SUV that thinks it's a Jeep and actually holds up over time. 10. Some SUVs just get everything right, and the CR-V Hybrid is one of them. It's the default choice for a reason. The CR-V Hybrid offers 204 horsepower, which is more than enough for daily driving. There's plenty of space inside for the whole family, plus luggage or groceries. In real-world testing, it averaged 36.5 miles per gallon, which makes it a fuel saver too. It scored a strong 9.0 from Consumer Reports and got an 85 from J.D. Power for reliability. Consumer Reports praised its smooth ride, comfortable seats, and well-designed cabin. Safety features are generous, with standard driver assists that make driving less stressful. J.D. Power says it's likely to stay reliable for years, which is a big deal for long-term ownership. This isn't a flashy pick, but it is a smart one. It's simple, dependable, and easy to live with. If you want zero drama and maximum function, this is the SUV for you. 9. Luxury doesn't have to shout. It can just show up smooth and ready. The Lexus NX 350h proves that quiet confidence wins. It blends premium comfort with hybrid efficiency in a way that feels effortless. Consumer Reports gave it a 9.3, and J.D. Power scored it an industry-best 91 for reliability. Those are some of the highest marks in the entire SUV segment. Inside, you get a calm, elegant cabin with soft-touch materials and top-tier tech. It's whisper quiet, whether you're cruising in the city or hitting the highway. Lexus also offers the NX 450h Plus, a plug-in hybrid that delivers up to 37 miles of EV range. That's perfect for daily drives and charging without using a drop of gas. Fuel economy is excellent, and the ride quality feels like something way more expensive. Every feature feels thoughtfully placed and easy to use. Fuel efficient, sleek, and backed by Lexus's legendary build quality. This is high-end confidence on wheels. 8. Sometimes the best choices aren't the loudest ones. The Chevy Equinox is one of those quiet success stories that just gets everything right. It's been fully redesigned with a smoother ride, a more refined interior, and it starts under $30,000. That's a solid deal in today's market. Consumer Reports gave it a strong 8.7, while J.D. Power rated it 86 for predicted reliability. So yes, it's not just affordable, it's dependable too. Consumer Reports praise the cushioned ride and much better cabin materials. It feels more grown up now, with a layout that's simple and smart. J.D. Power called it reliable and well-built, and that's exactly what most drivers want. It's not the kind of SUV that shows off, but it is the kind that sticks around. This one doesn't chase trends. It focuses on doing the basics really well. And in the long run, that's what makes it a great pick. It may fly under the radar, but the Equinox is built to last. 7. The Kia Sportage Hybrid is what happens when value meets style in the best way. Kia really leans into its strengths here. Smart design, tons of features, and that unbeatable 10-year warranty. It pulled an 8.8 from Consumer Reports and an 84 reliability rating from J.D. Power, which puts it near the top of the hybrid SUV list. The look is bold and futuristic, but it's not just about style. You get tons of space for passengers and cargo, plus an easy-to-use hybrid system that's smooth and efficient. Inside, it's packed with comfort, heated seats, a big touchscreen, and yes, even a panoramic sunroof. Consumer Reports noted how well-rounded it feels, especially for the price. And J.D. Power gave it props for predicted reliability. It's not flashy for the sake of it, it just delivers where it counts. For families, commuters, or anyone wanting a bit more without spending a fortune, this SUV is a smart pick. The Sportage Hybrid is simple, useful, and a little extra. In a good way. 6. The Nissan Rogue just keeps getting better, and it's now one of the standout options in its class. With a strong 8.5 from Consumer Reports and an 83 reliability rating from J.D. Power, it's solid all around. The turbocharged engine offers impressive fuel economy, hitting up to 37 miles per gallon on the highway, so you won't be running to the pump every other day. The ride is unexpectedly smooth, and the cabin, super spacious and comfortable with room for everyone and everything. Tech-wise, it's a winner too. The interface is simple, user-friendly, and integrates well with your smartphone. People love how easy it is to drive, with a refined feel that you wouldn't expect at this price. Overall, the Rogue has quietly become one of the best options for anyone wanting comfort, space, and reliability in a compact SUV. It's a smart choice that checks all the boxes for modern drivers. 5. The Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is a great pick for anyone who wants something small, efficient, and reliable. With a Consumer Reports rating of 8.6 and a J.D. Power score of 85, it's clear that this is a vehicle you can count on. You get 45 miles per gallon in the city, which is perfect for commuting or running errands around town. It's easy to drive with smooth handling that makes city driving a breeze. It's packed with the same legendary Toyota reliability that their bigger models are known for, so you know it's built to last. Plus, with its compact size, you get a lot of flexibility for tight spaces and parking. If you're after a no-fuss, fuel-efficient ride that can handle your everyday needs, this one's a solid choice. Small SUV, big confidence. What more could you want? 4. The Hyundai Kona just got a serious glow-up. This redesigned model brings more space, sleek new tech, and even gives you the choice between a gas engine or an electric version. It earned a solid 8.4 from Consumer Reports and an 82 on J.D. Power's reliability scale, showing it's no slouch when it comes to performance and durability. Hyundai has made massive strides in reliability over the years, and the Kona is a great example of that. It's zippy, practical, and doesn't feel cheap, especially when you consider its price tag. For those on a budget or first-time buyers, the Kona offers a lot of value for the money. It's a fun, compact SUV that's perfect for anyone looking to get a reliable and well-equipped ride without breaking the bank. Overall, it's a win for just about anyone. 3. Looking for an SUV that's a bit of a hidden gem? The Mitsubishi Outlander is steadily making its mark in the market, and it's not hard to see why. Built on a platform shared with Nissan, it now boasts a premium feel that rivals more expensive options. One of the highlights is the available plug-in hybrid, offering 38 miles of electric range, perfect for cutting down on trips to the gas station. With a Consumer Reports score of 8.3 and an 84 J.D. Power rating, it's clear this SUV has earned its place in the game. Plus, it comes with one of the longest warranties available, so you're covered for the long haul. If you want something that combines reliability, value, and a touch of luxury, the Outlander might just be your perfect match. It's an SUV that quietly flies under the radar but does everything well, offering solid performance and peace of mind. If you're looking for something different from the usual suspects, this one's worth considering. 2. Looking for an SUV that feels a little more premium without the luxury price tag? The Buick Encore GX might be just what you need. With a solid Consumer Reports score of 8.2 and a reliable 85 from J.D. Power, it's clear that Buick has crafted a dependable ride here. This compact SUV offers a smooth, refined drive that makes it feel like you're in something bigger. Its whisper-quiet cabin adds a touch of elegance to your daily commute or weekend trips. Inside, you'll find modern tech features that blend seamlessly into the overall experience, making it easy to stay connected. The Encore GX is a great option for anyone who wants a compact SUV with a luxurious feel without going all in on high-end pricing. It's proof that you don't have to pay a premium to feel like you're driving something special. 1. Quirky? Yep. Fun? Absolutely. But also surprisingly reliable. The Mini Countryman earned an 8.1 from Consumer Reports and an 83 from J.D. Power. Mini's charm comes through in this one. offering that unmistakable style and go-kart-like handling. It's got that classic personality with a modern twist. But it's not just about looks and fun. The Countryman also brings reliability to the table. You can even choose an optional plug-in hybrid model, giving you a more eco-friendly driving option without sacrificing that fun factor. It's compact but agile with a surprisingly smooth ride, and it holds its own in the reliability department too. If you're looking for something with character, great build quality, and a solid track record, this one's definitely worth a look. There you have it, 15 compact SUVs that'll keep you stress-free for years to come. From Toyota's dependability to Lexus luxury, Hyundai and Kia's value, there's something for everyone. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which one's your pick?